Alphacool is known for making tools for modders. Recently they came out with their pipe bending kit. Coming out in 2018 is this awesome sleeving kit. This is basically everything that you need as a modder to fully re-sleeve a power supply. First off, you have your Molex removal tools. This lets you pull all your wiring out of the old harness or the old plugs. You got a paracord threading tool, so you can slide the paracord and the wire through there. The main tools, we'll come back to these. You got a pair of snips, going to be very important. Crimping tool, so you can easily put your new crimps on, which is locked up on me. An automatic wire snipper. Obviously you're going to need to measure some wiring. And then you've actually got replacement teeth for the crimping tool. This is everything that you need to do a full power supply re-sleeving. It takes all the hassle out and gives you everything that you need. Expect this to be available sometime in 2018.